Thank you so much for coming out. I think I got a chance to talk to all of you. If I didn't, maybe you talked to some of our team. But if you don't know about us, we're the Raya House, and we are building a long-term foster home right here in Ringgold, really close to Dalton. We plan to serve Walker, Whitfield, and Catoosa County to house up to 10 children in foster care, specifically those that have sibling groups that are in care instead of them getting busted up. And really what we believe in is stability. So we want our kids to remain in the schools that they're in, to have stability with their families, with their siblings. And I am just overwhelmed by the support that we've received from North Georgia Toyota, for all of you that have came out to support this cause. We do have land now, and so we're in the phase of building our home to house our kids. And so if you haven't checked out our booth, we would love to come and talk to you guys. And just thank you so much. I really appreciate all the support. Thank you. Thank you.